Everything's buried in here. Whoa. Oh, we got a rescue chopper coming inbound. Oh. So I'm pretty sure I have to re-intro this video because I'm 100% sure that all that last footage had zero audio because I forgot to turn on my mic. I bought a new mic for my camera and I've never used it and I forgot to turn it on. So in case you guys didn't know, we are in Tahoe. We're on the way to Tahoe to meet up with Jacob, Jacob's girlfriend, Jacob's dad, and Austin. And we're currently stuck in the snow.
I'm so disappointed.
Waiting for people to either move, put chains on, or learn to drive in the snow. And we are currently in the Tacoma. And let me go ahead and show you all around where we've been stuck for 20 minutes and where I just took a pee. They definitely just heard that. Yeah.
Bro, you know what you should do? You know what you should be for next Halloween? A disappointment.
Alright, get out, walk home.
Okay. I could honestly make it to Tahoe faster than you could if I started walking.
Yeah, because GPS says 7 hours.
Yeah, because it wants you to go all the way up to Yuba, all the way up to fucking bumfuck, and then go all the way around.
Yeah, GPS says 7 hours. Once you turn around and go through Chico and go all the way around North Lake and all that, and we're not doing that. That dude turned off his truck and his lights and all. He did his part. And it's starting to snow again. And there's people coming over now. Hands in a canola, bro. Oh, he's tripping. So update. It's been about 2 hours. We've moved about 100.
30 feet.
I was told 100 feet, but he's saying 30 feet. But yeah, we've moved about that much in about 2 hours. Still stuck in the snow. We've been stuck here so long that people had the time to build a whole snowman. Yeah. Yeah. There's a snowman out there. A whole lot of snow all over the truck. Oh, just all over the truck. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, after 2.5 hours, they finally cleared the avalanche. Yeah, I don't know if I said, but we were stopped because of apparently a car crashes and an avalanche. So we are finally driving after 2.5 hours. Doing mondies, bro.
This is fun.
Oh, hit the left, hit the left. Oh, he's going in for the car. So Jacob broke his truck. We made it to South Lake Tahoe.
No, there's more
after the
stories.
avalanche. We found a down power line, so now we got the fire department called to come check it out. We got Papa Mark, we got Jacob, Jacob's girlfriend, and then we got what's his face, Austin somewhere back there. So yeah, eventful night already. Well, we made it to the cabin, ladies and gents. Squad parking up there. I guess they're staying on the first level, and we're about to go up to our second level suite. Jeez!
I literally cleaned off these stairs for you guys. They were perfect.
All right, thank you, thank you. Snow, snow, snow everywhere.
Okay.
Snow, snow, snow.
My hair is wet.
Your hair's wet. So this is all the snow on our second floor resort of Jacob's cabin.
Second floor resort?
I just spilled my apple juice, bro, in the snow. I just wasted it, bro. This is probably gonna be my bunk because it's a small one, so we'll probably get the big bed over there.
Oh, I already put my
Close the
stuff
door.
over there.
You got the door, bro? I don't have any. You have knocked over the juice, bro. Little MTV crib. Got a toilet. Got a shower. Got a sink. Got some stuff. A heater. A lamp. Bed.
We like voiceovers.
Round 2, guys. I forgot to turn on the mic again. So good morning. From.
That damn camera.
Shut up! You and the damn heater. It look like you enjoying the heat right now. Yeah, I figured it probably don't work, huh?
I literally was clearing your windshield. I swiped it, and a black thing just came with it. That man took a shovel to your truck.
Great.
Hey, where's your ice thing?
gonna put a lanyard on this.
But I ain't never seen a face like you. You make me feel like I can touch the planets. You want the moon, girl, watch me grab it.
But we are going to the eye of the storm. Oh, not realize we're drifting off track a little bit. Too busy looking at the camera. I got that on video. Oh, we're in deep snow. It's probably what? At least a foot, couple feet. Oh, power lines shaking. Don't move. Don't follow me. Yeah, let's park underneath all the power lines. Yeah, that's just a great idea. Alright, so ladies and gents, we're trying to catch up to Jacob because he took the right turn, we took the wrong turn. But Papa Mark currently is stuck. So, yeah. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I forgot my snowboard in the snow. Alright, we're walking back. And I forgot my gloves. So we got Papa Mark's rig, we got my rig, we got Austin's rig, got the boards, got Jacob's rig. Snow shovels. Don't fall, bruh. What do it look like over there?
I don't know. I'm about to be soaked. That's why. Here.
Oh my gosh, bro.
That was a good fall. I like it.
Yeah, I think you might want to zip the jacket up.
Nice. Just a little.
Oh, boy, it is cold. My face is all full of snow, but I'm about to put the camera up real quick. So I'm about to get some sledding and some boarding action. I'm gonna try to film on my phone a little bit, get some clips, but the camera's getting a little bit too wet, and this camera's a little bit too pricey for me to want to keep out in the snow. So you guys are gonna get put back in the truck. Sorry. Papa Mark throwing it. Yeah. Oh, the Jeep's doing it too! Oh, the Jeep's getting it! Alright, ladies and gents, so we are out here, and currently we are stuck, or not stuck, we are sliding, and I think the front end's pretty, oh, we got little scratches, but we big chilling. We big chilling.
Pull forward, Robert.
You gonna pull my truck forward? Pull my truck forward. I'm vlogging.
Pull your truck forward.
Well, he's gonna pull my truck forward. Oh, the light skinness. But yeah, me and this Jeep behind me was doing some manjis down the road, and the Jeep crashed. And as I was filming, my card said video full or whatever. Jeep crashed, and as I was laughing at the Jeep crash, I crashed. And then we all look stupid, but you know, we're having fun. Out here in the snow having fun. Almost. So I'm gonna walk my ass over there, but on this side, cause your boy is not trying to get crushed by a car right now. So we're just gonna keep walking, and I think we should be able to get him out. Yeah, we're just gonna get it. All right, Jeep's taking off, we got him out. Jacob's got the strap, just putting the strap back. I'm gonna go ahead and put the camera away, but I'm gonna go ahead and get some more manji. But I'm gonna be careful, really watch out, bro, it's a car. I'm gonna put the camera away and enjoy the day and not slip on this ice. Try to get some more manjis on video. It's Austin. Motherfucker. There he goes, watch, come on, spin out, spin out, spin out in 4K. Caught you in 4K. All right, ladies and gents, so it appears somebody is stuck once again. Stuck, crashed, well, I don't know. We got a tow truck coming, and let me flip the camera. As you guys can see, we got a little bit of a traffic jam. Just a wee bit of a little traffic jam, and can't really see what's going on.
I've seen you before.
You seen me before, dude?
You're famous.
Is that Ghost Black?
Hey, do you know what's going on, dude?
Yeah.
What's going on, dude?
Well, there's a bad snowstorm.
Uh-huh.
No, I don't know what's going on.
Probably someone crashed or something.
I think so. There's also a stoplight up here.
Oh.
That was our fault.
Not this time. We did earlier,
Yeah,
but not
the
this
Jeep,
time.
the Jeep.
The Jeep did, and
Yeah, this time not us.
I was too busy laughing at the Jeep, and then I was like, oh, here I go too.
I'm like, wait, did Robert fucking crash?
It was
too?
crazy. I was videotaping, and then as the Jeep crashed, it says cart full. And then I crashed. I was like, no! Yeah! Jacob Bumper, my new speaker. Review the speaker.
It's pretty good.
Pretty good?
We gotta move.
That was creepy, bro. All right, guys, welcome back to a new day. This is what, day 2, 3? What day is it? 2, 3, something like that. Mic is on, but so we're over here. We're currently trying to find an off-roading spot in the snow, and I see somebody off in the distance digging out their car, and Jacob's trying to plow his way through. So I'm assuming this might turn into a recovery mission. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to plow this way. There's a car coming. We're either about to pull a recovery mission, or we're about to just plow our way through to make our own trail.
Hey,
so we'll see.
Pay attention. Do you want to pay attention from in front of you, bro? You're a fucking dumbass, bro.
All right, ladies and gentlemen. So me and Willie messed around and we found out. We got stuck, but we got out. Took a little bit, but we got out. Not too bad. And so, whew, out of breath. We're trekking through all this snow right now. We're about 3 feet deep of snow at the moment. We're trekking through to save this car up here. I believe it's his husband and his wife, and I believe they're stuck. One car's right here. The other car's stuck way up there. So about a quarter-mile walk, snow falling. So about a quarter-mile walk, gonna walk over here and assist in getting them unstuck. So this vlog now just turned into a rescue mission. Oh, 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 oh. So yeah, here comes the rescue. Just pulled up on Papa Mark's rig. Oh yeah, rescue mission, huh? From all those videos you saw on YouTube, now we're actually doing one.
Right? Every time we watch them.
We're like Winston Diesel all over. Oh, that's a lot of water. Oh, that's slushy. I was right. It was a. Wait, is that a Ford? I can't tell. Is that a Ford?
No, it's a
Kia?
Kia.
Oh, the thing's buried in here. Whoa. Pulling up on Jacob right now. Out here shoveling. What are you doing, Anna? Get out of the car and shovel.
I don't have a shovel.
Don't use your Anna.
You know.
What are you doing? Yeah, you caught in 4K on the vlog. You're caught.
I'm
caught
scared.
Slipping. Explain yourself.
I don't have a shovel, so I don't know what I would be doing. The
Moral
shovels
support.
are all. Well, I'm here. I'm here for moral support.
Jacob's over here filming. Oh, we got a rescue chopper coming inbound. Oh. Hey, yo, that's making it a lot better. Explain yourself. No, I'm playing. Yeah.
Thumbs down. Thumbs down.
Thumbs up. Car's now moved. Now the goal is to get it from here way over there. So now we gotta shovel all this snow out. All this, like what, 2.5 feet of snow to shovel out?
6-banger, but
Get us all out?
270 horse.
They're way big.
We're gonna make it. Jacob, how you feeling?
What's that?
Tell the vlog.
Someone got the little toe strap like a race car.
Hey yo.
You gotta
Yeah, my Genesis had one too in the same spot.
Yeah.
Update, guys. Anna's still in the truck. But she's holding down the port, making sure
I'm a
no one
Kia boy
rear ends
now, Robert.
Jacob's truck. So she's keeping it safe. She's keeping the tow strap and the camera safe.
I'm a Kia boy.
Jacob's a Kia boy.
got
Jacob
it
just,
out.
you know,
Look
drove a
at the
Kia.
work. Look at
We just got the Kia out. We got to turn it around. We're about to hook it up.
Don't forget about D-Ring.
You never
Wait,
seen
what?
that?
No.
I guess. Whoa!
Jacob, I think you need to reposition yourself a little bit there, buddy. You did.
It's just a lot more difficult now.
Yeah, that's on me. Yeah. Come on. Here you go.
So just keep in mind, as he's pulling back or whatever, if he stops or something, keep an eye so you don't keep going. What?
Oh, it's just making me slide in this right. You wanna unhook it real quick?
Are they standing up? Oh, she's laying down. I was like, there's no way it's that deep. I was like, uh-oh, I'm not going over there. Yeah, it looks like it. Come on, buddy, you got this.
Yeah, it just keeps sliding me in. What did I get stuck on? Don't let me run over the. Tell him to go forward if you can.
You need to be way over to your left.
Tell him to pull up a little bit. Make sure the strap's not gonna come off. I might have to give him a little yank. I gotta give him a little yank. Tell him to go up a little more so I can reposition. We can record too, bud. Really? Jacob! Okay, can you keep tension on that so I can... Go! Go! Don't lick your lips at me, go! Go!
I'm gonna hit you with the last skin look real quick, dog.
Oh!
That's on video, right?
Go!
Left or right? Anyway.
Hey, watch the strap.
Alright, so we got them out. We had a little mishap. There was a worker that drove by and decided to cuss us out and yell at us for trying to save these folks, but we got them out. Everybody's happy. We're all good. Wow! Yeah, we're all good. Alright, we're good.
Well, not me.
I mean, it's a team effort. We did.
The vehicle is saved. Yeah, that dude pulled up to yell at us. He was like, "Why would you guys pull in there?" He was mad because he couldn't do his job. Like, bro, we're trying to save some folks. But he was mad. He was big mad. Jacob helped save the day.
For real.
Oh yeah, let me give you a walk on the Tacoma. The Tacoma took a couple party fouls. So besides my bent tie rod that I managed to get on this trip because I was doing manjas in the middle of the road and went off the road and crashed a little bit. Got a little stress crack right here on the paint, but that's no biggie. There's some front steel bumper coming soon, eventually someday, so we're chilling off that. What else? Oh yeah, the bent tie rod, my steering wheel's crooked. What else broke? Oh yeah, Whitley scratched off. He's had to scratch my window with the shovel and scratch my Instagram tag off.
Attention, fucker. Jesus!
And my Rotopax tank froze last night and snapped off this morning while I was driving. So that's why it's back there. In the trunk. Yeah, everything else held up together nice on the truck. Jacob's truck is doing pretty well. Pop Mark's doing pretty well. And yeah, Anna's doing pretty well.
What?
Anna's doing pretty well.
Doing pretty well.
I think she slipped in the background on the video as I was recording you. I think I got her on video. So yep, officially saved.
Let's hit the road, Jack. Barbara, I'm driving the boat.
Excuse me?
Got the Tesla wheels and hubcap.
Rotiforms.
Go. You took a fucking shit. Took a fucking shit.
Guys, ladies and gentlemen, we're about to be on our second recovery for the day. Yeah, it is. Jake got his hazards on, so he's getting prepared for recovery number 2 for the day. So this video now turned into a recovery video.
Just real quick.
Ladies and gentlemen, just like that, with my recovery tracks, we were able to just put him behind his rear wheel. There wasn't really a drive, and he was able to drive right on out. And we are done, all of 5 minutes. Recovery number 2 done for the day. Let's figure out where recovery number 3 is about to be.
Give me my $100 now.
That I'm lost in my